Hello and welcome to a new episode of the What's Up Electrical Installations video series. This introductory video will guide you through the installation process of a master clock system on maritime vessels. We will also cover industry compliance requirements and the main components of the system. Like the name suggests, this system ensures that all equipment and systems on the vessel operate in perfect harmony. This is particularly important for navigation, communication, and safety systems. Maintaining synchronized operations on maritime vessels is crucial for safety, efficiency, and regulatory compliance. A master clock system is a pivotal component in achieving this synchronization. Installing a master clock system on maritime vessels requires adherence to several industry standards and regulations. Key compliance requirements include International Maritime Organization (IMO) regulations, ensuring the master clock system meets the standards for safe navigation and communication. Compliance with SOLAS, Safety of Life at Sea, regulations. Radio Technical Commission for Maritime Services (RTCM) standards for the electronic navigation and communication equipment used on maritime vessels. International Electrotechnical Commission (IEC) standards, IEC 61162 series for maritime navigation and radio communication equipment and systems. Class Society requirements, specific requirements from classification societies like ABS, DNVGL, and Lloyd's Register. Understanding the components of the master clock system is crucial before beginning the installation. The primary components include Master clock unit, the central unit that generates and distributes the precise time signal. Physical slave clocks display the synchronized time throughout the vessel in various locations, such as the bridge, engine room, and crew quarters. Power supply unit ensures a stable power supply to the master clock unit. Data distribution unit distributes the time signal to various systems on board. GPS antenna receives the accurate time signal from GPS satellites. Cabling and connectors, power cables, data cables, and connectors to establish the necessary connections. One of the critical functions of a master clock system is its ability to adjust the time as the vessel crosses different time zones during a voyage. The GPS antenna plays a crucial role in this process. Location identification: the GPS antenna continuously receives signals from GPS satellites, determining the vessel's current location with high precision. Automatic time zone adjustment: as the vessel crosses into a new time zone, the master clock system automatically adjusts the time based on the vessel's coordinates. This ensures that all onboard systems and physical slave clocks display the correct local time. Synchronization across systems: the master clock system ensures that all systems on board, such as navigation, communication, and safety equipment, are synchronized to the correct time. This is vital for maintaining operational consistency and ensuring compliance with international maritime regulations. Physical slave clocks are an integral part of the master clock system. Their primary roles include time display across the vessel. Physical slave clocks are installed in key locations such as the bridge, engine room, crew quarters, and other operational areas. They display the synchronized time, ensuring that everyone on board is operating on the same schedule. Synchronization: slave clocks receive the time signal from the master clock unit, ensuring that they remain accurate and consistent throughout the voyage. This synchronization is crucial for coordinating daily operations, crew schedules, and safety drills. Time zone updates: as the master clock adjusts for time zone changes during a voyage, the slave clocks automatically update to reflect the new time, ensuring continuous accuracy. Before we start, let's go over the tools and materials required. You'll need the master clock system unit, power cables, data cables, connectors, a multimeter, and mounting tools. Review the ship's schematics to identify the optimal location for the master clock system, usually in the telecom equipment room, control room, or communication hub. This location allows the master clock to interface with other critical systems effectively. Begin by securely mounting the master clock system in the designated location. Ensure it's easily accessible for maintenance but also protected from harsh environmental conditions. Now, let's move on to the electrical connections. Connect the power cables to the ship's power supply. Ensure the connections are tight and insulated to prevent any electrical hazards. Use a multimeter to verify the voltage levels and ensure a stable power supply to the master clock system. Next, we'll connect the data cables. The master clock system must interface with navigation systems, communication systems, and other critical onboard equipment. Use the provided connectors to establish secure data links. Ensure the data cables are routed cleanly and avoid interference with other cables and systems. Proper cable management is essential for reliability. Once all connections are made, it's time to configure the master clock system. Use the configuration software to set the correct time zones, and synchronization settings. Perform thorough testing to ensure the master clock system is accurately synchronizing with all interconnected systems, including the slave clocks. Confirm that all onboard systems are operating in harmony, with the correct time displayed across all slave clocks. Complete the installation by performing final checks. Document all connections and configurations for future reference. Regular maintenance checks are essential to keep the master clock system running smoothly. Verify that the slave clocks are displaying the correct time and updating as per the master clock system. Installing a master clock system on a maritime vessel is a complex but essential task to ensure synchronized and efficient operations. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos on electrical installations for industries.